Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my pantry. In this house I got a separate pantry right next to my laundry room. This pantry is small but a very deep one. And this is the overview of the whole pantry. As it is a deep pantry, I tried to maximize the organizing space by hanging this door organizer. Coming to the first row, I organized this row using these fabric bins from Walmart. In the first row, I was able to fit 3 bins. The first bin contains all the pulses that I use for cooking. Right next to that bin I have this breakfast bin in which I store all my breakfast items like suji, cornflakes, cracked wheat, pasta. And last one in this row is a snack bin. I prefer these bins to organize because they are very deep and the handle in the front makes it easier to carry. And coming to the second row, I have 2 other bins of different colors in which I store frames in one and other miscellaneous items like tea, sugar, salt in another. And right next to that, I repurposed this plastic tier organizer and I keep my son's school snacks in the first tier, and in the second tier, I keep all the candies. And it also fits perfectly in there. And now coming to the third row, I got these 2 white bins from IKEA. I'll try to leave the links to all the products I mentioned in the video in the description box below. In the first bin, I keep whole garam masalas, and in the second one, I keep all powder masalas like sambar powder, kasuri methi, garam masalas. And in this handle bin, I keep all the spices that I use for daily cooking. And I also keep some cookies next to that. And coming to the fourth row, I purchased these big mason jars. They come in a pack of 6. As I have a small kitchen, I organized all my pulses in this pantry. I'll do a kitchen tour very soon. And I have oats, besan, almonds, and urad dal and peanuts and rava in these big mason jars. Coming to the fifth row, I keep all my tall and bulky items in here. First 2 plastic bins contain maida and rice flours, and right next to that I have this small plastic box in which I store my teas, and right next to that in this glass jar I store my tur dal, basmati rice and wheat flour in this row. And coming to the floor, I store my heavy wet grinder and extra rice and wheat flour bags. And coming to the door part, I tried to maximize the organizing space by hanging this door organizer. This organizer is the best one I purchased so far. This one comes in 2 sizes, 18 inch and 21 inch. As my pantry is small, I opted for 18 inch. As I live in a rented apartment, I did not screw them to the door. I just used 3M clips and zip ties to hang that to the door. And I organized all other small things on this pantry organizer. And this is how I organized my pantry. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.